Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to study about Roman numerals once again because I think most of you might have some doubts. So here's one more video for you to clarify your doubts. Okay, so let's get started. So start करते रोमन न्यूमरल्स. रोमन न्यूमरल्स मैंने आपको बताया था 1 को हम ऐसे डिनोट करते हैं, 2 को ऐसे. 1 + 1 1 + 1 is 2. 2 में 2 स्टिक्स हैं. देन 3 में 3. बट हम 3 से ज़्यादा इसको यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो हम 4 में क्या करते हैं 5. हमें 5 का साइन पता होता है, 1 का साइन पता होता है एंड 10 का साइन पता होता है. ओके, सो 5 - 1 माइनस जब हम कर रहे हैं तो एक स्टिक हम पहले लगाएंगे. we'll put a stick before 5, before the sign of 5 we'll put a stick. And in 6 when we are doing addition we'll put the stick after 5. Okay, similarly here 7, 2 sticks, 1 + 1, then 8, 1 + 1 + 1, one more 1 will be here, then 9, 10 - 1 because already we have done 1 2 3 here, so 10 - 1 minus again पहले आएगा, then 10. Okay, so have you noticed one thing? After everything we have done the subtraction, 1 2 3, then subtraction, then one single, then 1 2 3, then again subtraction. So it's a trick. You have to learn the Roman numerals up to 9 and then you can solve each and every problem. Now let's move on to the next one. Next 11. 11 is 10 + 1 is 11. Then 10 + 2 is 12. Then 10 + 3 is 13. 10 + 4. 4 को हम कैसे लिखते हैं 5 - 1. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं हमने 4 को कैसे लिखा है 5 - 1. So here also you'll write 5 - 1. 5 - 1. So 1 will be before the symbol of 5. Okay. Then 15. Then 16 is 10 + 5 + 1. Plus means after the sign of 5 we'll put one stick. Okay. Then 17. Then 18. 10 + 5 + 1 + 1 + 1. 3 sticks we have already made. Now we cannot make more sticks of 1. So what we'll do? 10 + 9. The symbol of 9 is IX. So 10 IX will be 19 and XX will be 20. So similarly, all the things you have to do with the help of these symbols. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So I'm going to tell you few more numbers which you have to learn. Okay, as we can see the next one is 30, which is 10 + 10 + 10. So symbol of 10 is this, 10 + 10 + 10. Okay, next is 40. We know the sign of 50 but we don't know the sign of 40, and here also we have repeated 3x, so we cannot repeat x more than 3 times. We know the rule. Okay, so 40 is 50 - 10. We have put the minus sign, that's why we'll put 10 before the sign of 50. Okay, so this is 40, 50, then 60. X will be in front of the symbol of 50 because we have done addition here. Okay, then 70. 50 + 10 + 10. Then 80. 50 + 10 + 10 + 10. Then 90. We don't know the sign of 90 but we have to make it. How? Here also we have done 3x. Now we cannot proceed more than this, right? So C, we know the sign of 100. So 100 - 10, we have done minus, that means the sign of 10 will be before C. So it is our 90 and this is 100. So you have to learn 1 to 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then after that 100 and 10, the sign of 10 is here. Then 120, sign of 20. Then 130, sign of 30. 140, sign of 40. 150, sign of 50. 160, sign of 60. 170, sign of 70. 180, sign of 80. 190, sign of 90. 100, after 100 we have put sign of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and at last 100. So 200 will be 100 + 100 and 2 C's will be the sign of 200. Okay, so similarly you have to do up to 500. Here are few more of 300, where we have add 100, 100 and 100, 3 C's. Okay, then 400, we know the sign of 500, it is D. So 500 minus 100 is 400, so the sign will be CD because we have done minus. So we'll put the sign of 100 before D. Then 600, after D the sign of 100 will come because we have done addition here. Then 700, then 2 C's, then 800, 3 C's. Now we have done up to 3 C's. Now we directly know the sign of 1000, which is M. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. So minus means before. So we'll put the sign of C, means 100 before the sign of M, which is 1000. So 1000 minus 100 will be 900. And it is M means 1000. So I hope it is clear to you, right? If you have any confusion in both of these things, you can ask me. Let's move on to the next, greater than or smaller. So our first question is VI dash IV. So V we know is the sign of 5 and I we know is the sign of 1. So I is after V, which means we have done the addition. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So you can write here with a pencil 6. Okay. Then V is 5, 1, I is 1. We have mentioned 1 before V. That means we have subtracted. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. Then which one is greater? 6 is greater. So we'll open the mouth on this side and we'll keep the beak at this side. That means this one is greater than this. Let's come on to second one. X, 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 I, X. Okay. X means 10, 10, 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. 30 and this sign is of 9 if you have learnt it. So you'll get it. 9. That means 39. And this sign is of 10, 10, 10, 30. V, 35, 36, 37, 38. So which one is greater? Obviously this one. So we'll open the mouth and we'll keep the point on this side so that we can identify that this one is the greater one. Next, XCII. X means 10. C means 100. And we have put X before C. That means 100 minus 10, which is 90. 90 and plus 2 because 2 is after C, so it will be 92. Here C means 100. After C is X. After means add. We'll add it. And 2. What it will be? 1, 1, 2. 112. Right? So which one is the greater one? 92 or 112? Obviously 112. So we'll open the mouth and keep the pointed tip here. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class and you'll get all the concepts. So meet you in the next session. Bye.